What's up, guys? If we haven't met before, I am Michael Sasser, boudoir photographer here in Los Angeles, California. I'm the owner, photographer, editor, marketer, salesman of my boudoir business. And I'm really excited about this full course that I've put together for you guys. This video is just a short 5-minute insight into it. We're gonna be covering actually some of the most important stuff is posing. I know that a lot of photographers feel like I don't know how to get them to pose. I don't know how to direct them. What are they supposed to do with their hands? What are they supposed to do with their feet? And so here's a glimpse into some of the education I'm gonna be sharing with you. Okay, so on this one, all you really need is light coming from behind your subject. And I'm gonna be shooting kind of from over here. So you'll see how the layout is. But in this one, your right knee is gonna go down, and I'm gonna show you first, and then your left leg is gonna be pointed straight, and your toes gonna be pointed, and you're gonna go up like this with your elbows, okay? Perfect, okay, so all you're gonna do with your head tilt is you're gonna drop it down like this, and you're gonna get your fingertips up in your hair. Exactly. Okay, so that left leg is gonna be super straight. Amazing, I'm just gonna move this guy out of here. Perfect. Okay, and then point your other toe too. There you go. Okay, and as much as you can arch your back, push your hips up a little bit more. Perfect, deep breath. So that one's really good. The light is coming around her back. So we're gonna do a couple of the different variations that they will usually purchase a series of these. So the first thing that you're gonna do is just bring your other knee up, and you're gonna go back to your elbows like this. Perfect, and then you're gonna let your head tilt in a lot like this. Excellent. Okay, shift your hips back even a little bit further, right there. Okay, deep breath. Perfect, okay? That looks really good. And then the last variation of that, so you're gonna go back down to your elbows. And then with this hand, your right hand, you're gonna reach over and grab your bra strap and just be pulling it down just a little bit. Exactly. Okay, and then as much as you can arch your back, and those hips again, perfect. Excellent. Okay. So the key with this shot, which I'm gonna flash up on screen right now, it's all about hinting at something. So one thing we're bringing attention to is pulling the bra off the shoulder strap, which you can do or not do in pretty much every pose. From the angle that I'm shooting, the key is just to not get too much of their butt in the shot. It's just the suggestion. Also, as you're going around and shooting, so we've shot before and you trust me, when I'm doing a shot like that one, I'll say, for every pose that you're in, I'm trying to get variety. So from wherever you're at, I'll walk around and take a couple of different shots, and I'll show them as well so they don't feel like I'm just like right in the back just shooting, you know, nonstop pictures of their butt. This is what that one looks like.
Yes.
Super good.
So good.
So I don't do a whole lot in heels because that's my brand. I'm really more like, everything that I do feels more natural, more authentic, less dressed up. But having some heels and some shots can really look good, especially in a shot like this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna sit down like this with your knees in here. Again, watch the buttons. And then you're gonna be grabbing your heels like this. And you're gonna be arching your back.
Try not to fall.
And trying not to fall. Exactly. Perfect. So sit down. First sit down. Perfect. And then there you go. Okay, now grab. And then what you're gonna do is I'm only gonna make you do it for a second because it's hard, is I want your arms to be pretty straight, almost like you're pulling up on your heels. And to do that, you have to lift your butt up off of exactly that. So relax for a sec. Okay, and this one looks nice at a low angle as well. Just hanging back behind you. Okay, go ahead. Okay. With the heels, I'll do a handful of other shots, but that's pretty much the heel shot. All right, you guys, I hope that was super helpful and gives you an idea of everything else that you're going to learn in this course. I mean, I really do cover everything. We're gonna talk about building trust with your clients. So even before they send you that first email, even before they walk through that door, they're already gonna trust you and your creative vision and be looking to you to give them this incredible experience. And then we're gonna be covering the business side of things. So everything from how to run a perfect pre-planning session, man, that's a tongue twister, to pricing. How do you price? We're gonna go over my pricing guide and see how we can make that work for you. We are, of course, going to cover shooting and working with the client, how to speak to them, how to get variety out of your poses. And if you're a male photographer like I am, I have a 20-minute video specifically about overcoming the challenges of being a male boudoir photographer. So I'm really excited about how this is gonna help your business. Connect with me at these links, head over and check out the course, and I hope to see you soon.